Hello everyone. Today we have got a new TV HDMI streaming box for us. I've ordered this from Flipkart. So we'll do the unboxing for you. So let's get started without wasting any time. The packaging from Flipkart, as always, perfect. No chances of damage. This is the bill. So you see I've got a TV 2.0 HDMI streaming device selector box. And I've got it for 1999. So let's see how it looks like. As you can see, it's packed in a bubble wrap. I'll open the bubble wrap also. The packaging of this is also very nice. It says India's favorite streaming stick. It's from a company called TV, TEEWE. The packaging is very compact. It says that you can download the TV app to stream media from all the smart devices. So it's available on Google Play, on Apple App Store, as well as the Windows Store. And it gives the other descriptions. Let's open the box and see how the product looks like. I must say the packaging has been done keeping in mind that it's going to be shipped all across the country, and therefore they have taken utmost care. They have given the instructions also on the side of the packaging. It says just plug it into the TV, download the TV app, and simply stream the media onto your TV, on your television. So within the box, this is another seal here. Again, here they have mentioned very clearly that there is a 1-year warranty, and this is a lifetime customer care. In case you face any problem, you just have to call 1800-200-0095. And inside the box there is one TV media streaming dongle, one power adapter, one USB cable, one HDMI extender, and one user manual. So let's break open the seal. There it goes. I've broken the seal. Wow. The first look of the product is pretty nice. It's compact. The plastic feels good. Doesn't feel cheap from anywhere. Here is the USB point. This is the HDMI port which will go into the television, and there is a very nice plastic cover also for it to protect it from any kind of damage. Let's see what else is there in the box. Very nicely packed. So let's see. This is the USB cable. You can see one side is the normal USB, and the other side is a micro USB. This is the power charger, and this is the HDMI extender. Again, there's a very nice plastic cover here to make sure that this support is protected at all times. And that's about it. And there is also a user manual, as the box said. So we have received one dongle, one extension cable, one micro USB cable, and one power adapter. The steps also are very clearly mentioned here, what I need to do. So I need to have a television with an HDMI port. That's the first requirement. I need to have a Wi-Fi network over a router. I have both of them, and I need a power source. Then talking about the device. So it says A is the HDMI port. This is A. B is the recovery pin. So B would be this. This is the recovery pin. There's a small hole here, if you can see it. That's the recovery pin. C is the micro USB power input. This is the micro USB power input. And D is the LED power indicator. On the other side, this is the power indicator. So how to set up the TV device? We have to connect the micro USB cable to this TV, and then we have to plug the other end into the power charger. So let's start doing it while we are explaining it to you. So unpack the cable. It's a pretty long cable. It's a very long cable. So it gives you the length to actually reach a power source if it is far away from your television. So here you see I have plugged the USB into the power charger, and the micro USB end goes inside this TV device like this. It fits in properly. The next step says that it has to be connected to the television. Step 3, I have to set up a software on my mobile, which is the TV app, and I can get started. So these are the facts. There are some quick tips which are also given. There is a support information which is also given on this page. That's about the unboxing. The device is ready to use. I just have to plug in this thing into my television, and it will be ready to use once I have downloaded the app in my phone. So let's see that in the next video.